Hello, and welcome to your quick guide on how to create individual student logins for your Oxford Owl subscription. Please note this feature is currently only available for subscribers to the eBook Library for Letters and Sounds, ELS eBook Library, Oxford International Primary English, Maths and Science, Project Xcode, and the Read Write Inc. Phonics eBook Library. So let's get started and log into Oxford Owl for School. Click on your name in the top right-hand corner of the screen and select Manage Students from the drop-down menu. Then select Add Students. You now have the option of either adding an individual student or uploading multiple students via a CSV file. Let's start with adding an individual student. This is best to use if an individual student joins school mid-term. Fill in the first and last name of the student. Then you can either choose a username and password for the student or ask Oxford Owl to create one for you by clicking Generate. If you're creating your own usernames and passwords, please note usernames must consist of a minimum of 4 characters and should only contain letters, numbers, dots or underscores. Other special characters are not accepted. Passwords must consist of at least 5 characters with at least 1 number at the end. I'm going to ask Oxford Owl to create my username and password for me. Next, you can fill in a parent email address, which enables parents and carers to request a password reminder. However, this field is optional, so I'm going to leave it blank. Select the student's year group from the drop-down menu and click Add Student. You can then click Download Sign-in Card to download the student's login details. Click Done to confirm the addition of this student. Your student will now be visible in the Students tab. You may need to refresh your browser to view it there. You can now add your student to a class. When you have a lot of students to add, it is best to import them. We would recommend you upload classes individually, as this will make it easier to download and distribute sign-in cards. So let's take a look at how we add multiple students. Click Import Students. You then have some instructions on the information required to enable you to upload your students. If this is your first time importing students using this method, you can download a CSV file by clicking Next at the bottom of the screen. Please download and complete this template. Please note, you must not alter the headings provided in the template in any way. Fill out the details on the template. Here's one I've populated earlier. I need the first and last name of the student. You can leave the username and password blank if you wish Oxford Owl to create these for you. Or, as previously mentioned, you can create your own username or password. The year group label must be completed as shown in your year group table. Please note, this will vary depending on your year group label according to location. Enter your class name. This will automatically group your students into their class, thus saving you time. Finally, enter a parent or carer email address if you wish to. However, again, this is optional. Once your file is completed, save it to your computer and then import it. This can be done by either dragging it into the box or selecting choose from your computer and locating the file. Once selected, click Next. You can now review and edit your list of imported users. Any errors in your file will be highlighted for you to correct. Click Next. Confirm the classes your imported users are being added to, and click Import Users. Click Done. You may need to refresh your browser to view your uploaded students. Thank you for watching. For further support, please contact the email address shown.